Okay, so let's dive into an AI tool that analyzes your group chats to find hidden insights.
Our group chats are basically our digital living rooms. They're full of memories and inside jokes.
But here's the thing, all that valuable information is just trapped. You can't actually use it.
I mean, think about it. We can't easily answer super simple questions about our own relationships.
And this is a tough problem. The sheer volume of data is just too much for one AI.
So Reflex solves this by acting like a personal concierge, using a whole team of specialized AIs.
It's a three-step pipeline where each AI agent has one very specific job to do.
First up is the analyst. It just scans small chunks of the chat and pulls out raw data.
Next up, the data synthesizer takes all the little reports from the analyst. As each new piece of data comes in, this agent intelligently merges it with everything it already knows. It's basically building the system's long-term memory, creating this cumulative, evolving profile of your group that gets smarter and more accurate with every single message it processes.
And finally, the strategist looks at the complete picture to find insights you can actually use.
Now, this whole multi-agent approach, it isn't just some clever trick or a workaround. It's actually a really elegant solution that solves three huge fundamental challenges when it comes to analyzing our personal data. First up is the long context problem. Like we said, you just can't feed an entire chat history to a large language model or LLM all at once. It would choke. But by breaking the chat into chunks and then merging the analysis step by step, this agent team effectively creates a system with a continuous long-term memory. It completely bypasses that core limitation. Second, and this is a really big one, privacy and cost. The thought of sending your most private, personal conversations to some massive cloud-based AI, it's a huge privacy concern, right? But because the tasks here are pretty specific, like just extracting dates or judging a mood, the system is designed to use smaller, more efficient models that can run right on your own computer, keeping all your data completely private. And third, we have the fuzzy data problem. I mean, how can traditional code possibly measure something as abstract and human as bond strength or understand sarcasm? Well, this is exactly what large language models were born to do. They excel at interpreting the nuance and messiness of human language and turning that fuzzy data into structured, analyzable information.
Okay, so what can you do with all this? Let's get into the use cases.
For starters, it's like a memory assist that helps you be a more thoughtful friend or partner. Just imagine getting perfect gift ideas or a calendar of every important date ever mentioned.
And in a professional setting, this could totally create a more positive and productive environment.
Team leads can spot what boosts morale or find friction points before they become real problems.
You can also turn this inward to reflect on your own communication patterns and behaviors.
It's like getting an objective, data-driven look at your own habits for self-improvement.
This whole idea also works for managing big online communities, like on Discord or Slack.
It gives moderators a high-level vibe check without having to read every single message.
So what's the final result? All of this gets compiled into a single interactive report.
Inside, you get visualizations for everything from mood timelines to personality charts and relationship webs.
In short, Reflect unlocks all the value that's trapped in our daily digital conversations.
So it makes you wonder, what hidden truths are just waiting to be discovered in your chats?